making energy distribution systems trouble-free and safe. EFEN GmbH has been making this possible for over 100 years. Whether in industry, infrastructure, or the energy sector, EFEN offers customized and optimized safety systems. For the specialist for safety interfaces in electrical system construction, ease of installation and quality take top priority. To this end, the medium-sized group of companies with 7 locations in 5 countries is driving forward new technologies in a sustainable manner. EFEN successfully increases ergonomics and efficiency in the production and assembly of 450,000 safety edges and 560,000 switch disconnectors every year. From plastic granulate to the finished product, around 700 tons of thermoplastic material are sucked out of the octobins for production each year, dried and transported to the 15 neighbouring injection moulding machines using a vacuum. With this technology, the granulate is heated to 275 degrees and liquefied before being injected into the respective mould. This is done with moulds weighing between 50 and 2,500 kilograms at a clamping force of 50 to 350 tons. After cooling, the resulting part from a total of around 550 possible moulds is transported onto the conveyor belt using linear and 5-axis robots. Regular checks guarantee high quality. In addition to insulating parts, conductive materials are also manufactured at the Uebigau site. As a member of the uesa group, production is possible in close cooperation. Uesa is not only the largest supplier for EFEN GmbH, but it is also one of the buyers of the versatile products. The metal parts are manufactured using cutting and special tools in the CNC punching and nibbling machines at Uebigau. Working hand in hand enables even faster and more precise processes from which the entire uesa group benefits on an ongoing basis. EFEN relies on the Mitsubishi die-sinking EDM machine to repair injection moulding and punching tools or to machine metal fixtures. Eroding enables precision machining. The workpiece in question is placed in a bath of non-conductive oil, a dielectric, and is customized using an electrode as a tool by means of sparkover. Automatic contact spring assembly by Acon Robotics increases efficiency and accuracy in production. This relieves employees of monotonous tasks. This not only supports productivity, but is also essential for the new product, the E4 Low Voltage High Performance Fuse Series from EFEN. The dispensing cell from Henkel Sonderhof ensures high-quality sealing, bonding or sealing of the components. The high-precision application of the assembly foams made from 2-component polyurethane is carried out by the CNC-controlled mixing head. The mounted shuttle table enables shuttle operation to ensure short cycle times. This enables the foaming of over 100 parts per hour with a maximum transversing speed of 15 meters per minute. In EFEN's production halls, a total of 140 employees work in 2 and 3 shifts in a seamless process management system. The largest customer groups include energy supply companies and switchgear manufacturers from all over the world. They rely on the fuse systems in accordance with the DIN ISO standard and on the protection of the systems against overloads and short circuits, among other things. Quality takes center stage. In quality control during production with the 3D coordinate measuring machine, the Zeiss Contura G2, new parts are continuously sampled and fault analysis are carried out on components. The measurement is carried out by means of a latching rotary swiveling system and a tactile measuring head. In this way, measuring points are determined by probing and target actual comparisons are realized via the software. The combination of employees and modern machines is EFEN's recipe for success, for even faster and more precise work processes. This is also the case in the E3 system, an automated production line. Here, the product is checked for completeness, electronically screwed together, subjected to a high voltage test and a pull-off force test. The product is then automatically greased, labelled and transported for processing, including final inspection. Wire assembly using the Comax Zeta 630 enables a wide variety of wires to be processed efficiently and up to 50% faster. This includes fully automatic cutting by the high-quality cutting head, followed by the integrated bundler, which sorts the wires and fixes them for further processing. For example, for the wiring of the new E4 series, one of the flattest safety edges on the market. In the era of energy digitalization, it represents intelligent design and is characterized by efficient recording and evaluation of performance data. For this EFEN production line, an additional state-of-the-art and semi-automated assembly line is also available to increase production capacity. This makes a significant contribution to supporting the provision of advanced energy networks. A total of 400 parcels and 100 pallets per day are dispatched from the EFEN warehouse, which has a total storage capacity of 2,000 pallet spaces. The product range is versatile. In addition to safety edges and load disconnectors, EFEN offers a wide variety of fuse inserts, cable distribution cabinets and pillars, measuring devices and system extensions. Simply.More.Possibilities. Smart solutions from EFEN for the distribution grids of tomorrow and for the whole world.